Hello viewer, we will make the changes there. Let's explore the designs. Add a paint there. So we have to use another design. Add a paint there. So we have to use a shape there. Let's make selection on that side. Again we have to use that design. So there is a rectangular shape here. Adding the paints around it. Thank you for watching.